Hello all, welcome back to this YouTube channel. And if you are new to this channel, you can check it out. This channel here you can find a lot of stuff which you need for as a TCSer. If you go into playlist, I'll show how to go through all this content in this channel. I have created a lot of playlists here for Python 35 master version and Java, and also uh, I'm speaking about IPA associates who are about to write that exam. And if you see, I have created a top asked MCQs, IB MCQs here, and also I got some of DMs for 15 marks question from Java. It will be like vivid, like more like different concept questions you'll get. Like most probably, like you'll get from strings, arrays, string manipulations, right? And array manipulations, array sorting, and all. Here I made asked these questions from TCS NQT, like easy to medium to semi-medium questions, which it will help for IPA 15 marks as well. You can have a glance on it. And also in this video, I will be covering some like couple of 15 marks questions which came in the previous IPA exams. I'll cover those. Take it as like reference thing. And also, if anyone are new to Java, I got a lot of DMs like they are new to Java and all. They will also get some logic building, right? So I'll try to cover some two, three, 15 marks questions. Okay, then let us dive into this here. These questions will be like easy to medium level questions. If you have some basic knowledge on Java or how to write syntaxes, right, you can do this. Like basic knowledge, you need to do this knowledge in the sense like for building logic for this. So I'll go for the first question here. First I'll explain. If anyone new to Java, right, they'll get if they're new to programming as well, they can do this. See, they are asking us to print a number of spaces and characters. Here, input will be this kind of thing, and we should print like this. How many spaces are there in between, and also how many characters. We can do this in many ways, but let us see. Class main. If you have seen my if you are new to this channel and you haven't seen my Java explanation, Java 35 marks code explanation, you can check it out. I'll pin that Java playlist under this video in the description. You can check it out from there, and let us see how to solve this. I'll complete it fast as much as possible. See here, they are asking us to take input, right? Let me string yes is equals to, I forgot first of all. See, always we should import. Don't forget this. You can write util dot star, or else you can do one thing as well. Like if you know how to do this, you can pause this video and you can solve this, and also you can see my solution how I solved this. You can do this as well. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in string s is equals to sc dot next line, right? Do you know, right? Here after taking this, I'll do this thing. Int I is equals to 0. S dot length I plus plus Let us see here. First of all, let us print what is coming from this what is array, from this for loop. C dot caret is the method of string where we can get each character at a time. So let me print this so that it will ask as input, right? I'll give that. Oh, my right screen mistakes. Yeah, I don't know. Probably missed something. Yeah, method. I'll give my hello world. I'll give first my input. See, if you see here, we are getting each character, right? That means it is working here. So here I'll do one thing. Mm, if here we are getting each character, right? C dot chr char at we get each character, right? If it is equals to space, then I'll do one thing. I'll take two variables here. Int space count. Oh, sorry. Sp space count is equals to 0. Int ch character count, right? So I'll give in this way. It will be easy to understand as well. Here what I do, it is space, so that sp is equals to sp plus 1. I'll increment to 1, or else it is simple, or else cp, oh sorry, ch count, right? It is ch count is equals to ch count plus 1, upside as well. Here cp count. Now it is done, right? So what do I do? What should I do? See here, they're asking in that way. So in a particular form, right? This is the form, like it should be in this way. So here can do number spaces sp, and what else, and characters, or what is it? I've here change this variable. Let me run this again. It will ask input, I think. Just that equals to, keep in mind that we are comparing with character, right? So it should be single quotation here. This also might throw issue. So we need basic knowledge must and should here. See, I'll do hello world, right? World. See, if you see this number of spaces is 1, characters or 10 here, and let me give the same input so that you will also believe, right? So let us see. Hello, this is A B C D from XYZ city. See here, we got output, right? Okay, this is done. And let us move to next our next question. See, our next question is also like on strings itself. If you see this, like questions like model questions or else like previous, these are all from previous questions itself, previous IPA. See, most of the time we are getting from strings. So this, let us solve this as well. So I'll use the same thing here. So no need to change anything here. And we don't need this I think. Yeah, we don't need this. And also this, you can use it like this itself. See what they are telling you to you. They are asking you to print characters at odd position of the string. Odd in the sense, see if you see this matrix, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, right? But if you see that they are asking about odd position, odd in the sense like they are speaking about position, right? See if the position you take, this is first position, this second position, right? That means you think you think if you take index position, right, the 0 1 2 3 4 5, right, if you take that we get a r h, right, as an odd position. But if you see the output, based on output also we should map sometimes. So if you see mti as an output, right, so they are comparing with like as an index one, as a one index, not a zero index. So they are here, this is one, right, one, three, one, three, five. So we should compare with the odd indexes, odd places, right? So we can directly do one thing here. See, I'll do one thing. Print ln s dot caret I. First I'll print and show here. I'll use same matrix mat rih matrix. So you are getting all the letters, right? Characters. So what I'll do, you can do plus two here. See here, that's pretty much simple here. If you notice this, we are getting line by line, right? So if you remove this ln here, you will get side by side. I should give matrix again. It's matrix. MTI, right? So what happens, here? If you need, this is small question, right? I will explain you. See, one, two, three, four, five, six. It's right. So for the first time, it will be here, right? Generally, we increment one time, right? I plus we give that increments, plus means it increments one time, it adds count one, right? So it goes only for to a, but at this time we are doing plus two, right? So it jumps to next character. From here it goes to here, from here it goes to here. So this is the logic actually. So we are getting output. Let us try another name. Oh, we should remove this. So let us try with another name. Let's see if we are getting or not. I'll use Sharma. What should we get here? Let us see. Yes, Sam. We got Sam. Yeah, it's correct. So this is also done. So let us jump into the next question. See here, this. If you see this, even this is on strings. So most probably string manipulations on arrays we get questions, guys. See here they are asking to find the count of vowels and consonants, right? So here, uh, straightforwardly from the previous logic, if you see my previous first question, right, there you can find here straightforwardly I'm taking VC means I'll do one thing, vowels count. This will take less time, right? So I'm taking full variable consonants count is equals to, oh sorry, is equals to zero. See here again it comes here, if, what should be, s dot char at is equals to a, Or right, first, see, whenever we write logic, right, we should think of like what is small, like for comparison what is there. So if we see in vowels and consonants, vowels are only five, right? So for five we can write easily logic, right? A, E, I, O, U. What is happening here, if if from the string, if it sees if for loop, if see this either of these A, E, I, O, U, I'll just increase count of vowels count. That's all, right. It's pretty straightforward. And for consonants, what will you do? We need not to write any logic like comparison. We need not to do, right, because in alphabets we have 26 alphabets. In that we have vowels or else consonants, right? If vowels are done for consonants, like plus plus. And here println, how they are showing to you, so we can show in the same form. Vowels count plus vowels count. Consonants count plus consonant count. Let me print this. So I think I should give this. See here, we got. Let me do this. See, due to that previous question, we mentioned something. We should only increment one, right? Before the previous requirement, it was like that. I did not change that. So it was showing one as vowels. So no, again, I should see here. We got output. So here we should. Oh, okay, we have another case here. See, this is nice that we got here. I just thought of like we missed a space here, right? For space also we should write logic here. Here C, and we can do one thing. If else S dot caret I should not be equals to space, right? So what I do? See, we got output, right? And one thing I wanted to tell you. Wait a minute. I'm checking one thing here. I will tell you, or else I'll do it as a task here. Yeah, that's all. I think it is working. See, I'll show you another thing here. I'll show you another thing. See, they gave exclamatory mark, right? If I give this, the consonants count is showing 8 here, but the real is 7. Then I'll give this is a task for you. you manipulate this code to get exact output. Even if we get this exclamatory mark, how should you do? You should know how to do that. like uh, do try it out and comment it out. I'll check from the comments whether you understood or not, and also whether you're getting this or not. So I'll jump for the next question. So you do this as task. See what is the task, if I'm giving exclamatory mark here, I'm getting count as 8 here. Here we should change something in this conditions here. So we actually should get a 7 here, but we are getting 8, so that you try it out. And let us dive into the next video. See, next video is simple, what they are asking, for example, to print last character in the string. See, this is nice. See, even this is on string actually. I randomly took these questions, but got all from strings as well, strings itself. See, I'll remove this thing, and also this for loop is needed. Let's see. And also I'll remove this. See what they will give a sentence here, and we should print last character of each word. So what do I do? First of all, string words, take it as w or as words is equals to s dot. We have a method called split here, split, split, based on space. So what words, right? Here we should give words. So let us see if it is working correctly or not. First of all, work, yeah. So words I'll give words I. Here we need not use. I don't know what is the issue. So method length is entered there. Okay. See, for array we should remove those braces. Hi TCS. See, we are getting it has splitted, right? So our work got easy here. So what should we do? Or else for splitting, if see guys, if that compiler doesn't work the split method, right, you can explicitly write dynamically this code, right. Like I will tell you a logic here. Iterate on each index, like if the caret method is there, right. Iterate over this, and if you see space, right, you break that statement before entire characters will become one word, so you can store in that way. And also you can do this. We have split, right, so I'm using this. And also you can do in that way, like iterating each and every character without using split here. That also helps for your interviews as well. They might ask these questions in interviews. What should we do, like for the first this thing. Okay, we should I'll do one thing here. If I give one here. Oh, not like this, not like this. See here, dot caret one. Hi TCS. See, we are getting IC, right? That means if we give exact what do we say, exact index here, if we find what index should be there dynamically, we can easily write here this code. See, what should we do? As this is each word, right? Word, so that words dot length, word, not like this. Okay, first this index words length we should minus from, can do this thing here, or else I'm trying to figure it out logic, guys. See here, it has two index, right? Its length is 2. So wait a minute. About some different logic here. No. See, what I was trying to do, here we did each and every word, right? From this each and every word, if this is high, right, we should print last index. This is the question, right? Last index. So I am taking length of that, and I will just do minus 1, so that if size is 2, right, 2 minus 1, we get 1. This is the index we need here. If you see this, we get size as length as 3, right? If this is 3 minus 1, 2, so that 0 1 2, this index we will get. So let me try this. High TCS. See, high index we are getting, right? So if we need side by side ln, we should remove ln, so that doesn't go to new line. High TCS. Yes, we got is, right? Let me try with another. Hello world. See, we got od, which is this last index of these words. So we got, right. If you no need to use this, if you are not willing to use this split, right, so you can use some other logic to divide each word. First step is to divide each word. After that you should find index. So first of all you split questions in the, like, splitting questions in the sense, breaking down these questions so that you can easily find, like, dividing questions in pieces, so that you can find very easily. So that's all for this video. And if you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe. I see most of them are not subscribing. So if you do subscribe to this channel, we all get boost to do videos. And I'm trying a lot to give best content to you guys for IPA. So because you are getting good incentives there, right? So I'm trying to do that to boost your skills as well, so that if you see these kind of questions, you will also get some enthusiasm and to solve these questions, right? So let us meet in our next video. Until then, bye.